Domo's data platform is now going to integrate completely with Amazon Sagemaker. This new integration, please, it's worth it. This is huge. This is huge because now your data scientists can deploy their models as well as visualize and distribute them throughout Domo directly in the tool itself. So with these two integrations, the gaps are starting to close, right? Your people can develop and deploy AI ML insights directly into the hands of decision makers. So at Domo, I hope all of you feel that we really believe that you can, when you unlock the potential of your people, you can unlock the full potential of your data. And that's critical, right? So for more about this powerful partnership and how Amazon and Domo are helping put artificial intelligence as the centerpiece of your digital transformation, please welcome to the stage from Amazon SageMaker, Kumar Venkateswar.
Thanks, Chris. Thank you, everyone, for the time. My name is Kumar Venkateswar, and I'm a principal product manager in the Amazon Web Services team working on Amazon SageMaker. I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about how AWS views AI as the centerpiece for digital transformation and set the context for SageMaker and the integration with Domo. So there's been a lot of hype around AI and ML and their potential to drive digital transformation in the enterprise in the last few years. I'm sure you've heard about it for the last 4 years or so. And it's something that you look at it and you think, how is this real? And how do I take it into account when I look at my organization and my business? We're actually seeing a tipping point as a result of the technologies that are available in the cloud, the rise of ubiquitous computing and storage, low-cost storage, and technologies like Domo that allow you to aggregate data and to put it together in a way that you can use for things like machine learning. And the examples of these sorts of things that we're seeing is things like conversational interfaces in the customer experience area. We're seeing smart biometric authentication. We're seeing personalization and recommendations. We're seeing things like supply chain efficiencies being remarkably improved as the result of these technologies. We're seeing additional insights that are provided as the result of demand forecasting and so on. So we're seeing a lot of these transformational technologies. We're reaching a tipping point, and we're actually seeing these being realized by our customers. More machine learning happens on AWS than anywhere else, and we're seeing companies like NBC Universal, we're seeing State Farm Insurance, NFL, Intuit, we're seeing them actually realizing the results of applying these technologies, the result of looking at their data and being able to apply machine learning to their data. What many of these companies have in common is that they're bringing together, it's not just technology, they're bringing together both technology changes as well as the cultural changes that you need in order to realize that digital transformation. So bringing AI into your environment requires a new digital stack that allows you to more easily put ML to work. And that's where the Amazon ML stack helps you. We have the broadest and deepest set of capabilities and a way that you can use that stack in this changing environment of machine learning. So at the bottom of the stack, we actually view this as a fluid set of capabilities that may change over the next few years, and we're agnostic to that set of technologies, whether it's various deep learning frameworks or traditional machine learning frameworks or CPU versus GPU. This is something that we want you to be able to leverage those technologies in order to cause real change to your business. In the middle of the stack is where SageMaker fits in, and we want to make machine learning ubiquitous throughout your organization and allow your developers to take advantage of machine learning technologies. What we've heard from our customers is that with these services, they're able to reduce the time from ideation to production from over 6 months to under 2 weeks. And this is something that using the power of Sagemaker and Domo that we think that you'll be able to realize those results as well. And of course, because we want it to apply to all developers in your organization, we also have a set of services where those builders and those companies that are only interested in applying those technologies and using pre-built models, we have a set of services around those as well. So I talked about our mission at AWS, put machine learning in the hands of every developer, make it simple for your entire organization to use. But it's not just about the technology, it's about transforming your whole organization. So there's a cultural change that's also involved as part of doing that. And that's where Domo comes in. Domo brings together all your people, your data, your systems in one place for a digitally connected business. So how does that look when you try and put it into practice? Here are the key considerations that you want to take in place. First, you want to create a loop. You want to think about the use case that is most impactful to your customers, and then think about how you can apply AI to that use case. Consider a pilot, measure success, consider the measures that you want to put in place for that, and then next you consider the data that you want to use in order to answer that problem. And Domo helps with that. Is your data ready? Assess your data, clean your data, make sure you have in place the right sets of governance in order to use that data effectively and in the right way, and allow your employees to engage with real-time data. And once you have the data and you have an idea of what you want to do with the data, organize for success. You get together core ML teams, business units, and provide them with the tools like Domo and Sagemaker that allows them to create those results and share across the teams in an end-to-end platform. So the result is Domo and AWS can help you bring together your people, your data, and systems for an intelligent, connected business. Thank you all very much. I appreciate the time.